Hindi, nakiusap ako kay Mayor Strike kung pwede ko ba mabisita yung programa niya para sa mga taga-Baco about frontline healthcare. Na sabi ko, okay yun paano nagawa ni Mayor Strike yung local government, PhilHealth, and private sector pag-partnership. So, awa naman na Diyos sa pagbigyan ako ni Mayor Strike, I went here, one, to support, and second, the most important thing is to learn from Bacoor City approach. Kung ano ang ginawa ni Mayor Strike. Na sa tingin ko naman, through collaboration from the national government through PhilHealth and private sector at local government, duplicable. Alam mo, nagulat ako. Itong ginawa ni Mayor Strike.
Thank you.
Malaking bahagi